Hi everyone, this is a walkthrough for a Bill Murphy puzzle that I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce. I looked this up. This is a song by a Zambian band called which apparently stands for We Intend to Cause Havoc, which is just a great acronym. But this is one of their songs, and I have no idea how it would be pronounced in Zambian. I'm not going to try. I probably can't make the sound that it starts with. Um, Maybe Bill will pronounce it for us at some point. Anyway, this is a between lines puzzle. So we have normal Sudoku rules, 1 to 9 in each row, column, and box. Additionally, along the lines, the digits have to be strictly between the digits at the ends of the line, the digits that are circled. So here we have a 1 and a 4. We need digits that are between 1 and 4, not including 1 and 4. In general, digits can repeat on between lines, but in this case, all of the lines are two cells that see each other. So we don't have to worry about that. So let's get started. And the only digits between 1 and 4 are 2 and 3. So the 2 is going to give 3, 2 here. We need two digits between 2 and 5. Those are 3 and 4. We have a 3 here now, so 4, 3. Between 5 and 8, we need 6, 7. Don't know the order of those yet. Between 1 and 6, we can have 2, 3, 4, 5, but the 2 is ruled out here. The 3 tells us this is either 4 or 5, but the 4 or 5 here tells us this is 3. So we get one of those. Down here, we need two digits between 6 and 9. The 8 gives us 7, 8, like that. We need digits between 5 and 8 here. 7 means this is 6, 7 in that order. We need 3 and 4 between the 2 and 5, but don't know the order. And then between 4 and 9, we can have 5, 6, 7, 8. The 8 here is ruled out of both cells. We also have 5, 6 here, so that's 7, and this is 5, 6. Now I can see straight away in the central box we have 4, 5, and 6 left. But one of these is 4 and one of these is 6. So this can only be a 5. And then the 6 and the 4 are going to be resolved. That 5 is also going to resolve these 4 and 6. And then we have 1 and 9 in the column, which is resolved by our givens as well. In box 2, we have 4 digits left to place, but one of those is 7, and 7 can't go in any of those cells. So 7 goes here. We're left with 1, 5, and 8. We have two 1s, and then we have a 5. So this is all resolved. And I suspect by symmetry, this is going to be resolved as well. But also we just have all of these digits. So we can just say these are 2, 5, 9. This one has to be the 2. This is the 5. This is the 9. And we're left with a 3. So it was symmetric. But you can get at it different ways once you've resolved the top part of the grid. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and mark 1, 2, 3, 4 here. These aren't 3, this isn't 1, this isn't 1, this isn't 2 or 4. And I don't think we can actually place those digits, but I'm going to go ahead and do the same up here. These aren't 6 and 8. These aren't 7. This isn't 9. All right, let's look at row 4 now. We need 1, 2, 7, and 9. So that's 2 or 7. Don't know that that's really resolved anything else. Well, let's look at row 5. We only need 2 digits here. We have an 8, so this is our 2, and this is our 8. So this is not 8. Now this is not 2, so it's 7. So that gives us our digit there. Should be able to get this one as well. We need 1, 2, 3, and 9. We've got 1, 9, and 2. That's 3. We're left with 1, 8, and 9. Well, the 8 has to go over here. So this is a 1, 9 pair. And we need a 2 here to finish the box. And this is also going to be a 1, 9 pair. In this column, we need 2, 3, 4, 8. So this is 2 or 8. This is 3 or 8. And we have a chocolate teapot quad in this case. It's always exciting. I can see 2, 8, and 7 here. So this row needs 2, 6, 7, and 8. So this has to be our 6, and that's going to resolve 7 over here. And now the 8 here gives us 2, 8. That's going to resolve column 8. 3, 4, 2. 3 there, 1 there. That's a 4 now, and that's a 3. The 1 gives 9 and 1. We need 4 and 9 here. The 9 is going to look over here, and it was already placed by the 7 anyway. This is 7, and this is 5. Need 3 and 6. We've got a 3 up here. Here we need 2, 4, and 8. Got 2, 8 here. Got a 2 here. And then that 8 is going to look up for 6, 8, 6, 7. Here, we've got the 9. So 1, 9. And then to finish off, we need 1, 7, and 5. And that's the solution.